smile on my face, knowing that together everything that's in our way, we're better than alright. Walking between the raindrops, right in the aftershock beside you. Walking to the sunset, living like there's nothing left to lose. Chasing after gold mines, crossing the fine lines we knew. Hold down and take a breath, I'll be here every step, walking between the raindrops with you. Such a crazy place when the walls come down. You know I'm here to stay. There's nothing I would change, knowing that together everything that's in our way, we're better than alright. Between the raindrops with you. There's a smile on my face, knowing that together everything that's in our way, we're better than alright. Walking between the raindrops, right in the aftershock beside you. Walking to the sunset, living like there's nothing left to lose. Chasing after gold mines, crossing the fine lines we knew. Hold on and take a breath, I'll be here every step, walking between the raindrops with you. Between the raindrops with you. Between the raindrops with you.
Thank you so much for coming out today.
Thank
We
you, guys.
appreciate it so much. Thanks for coming to our house. So all our friends of the show that took off of work and all that kind of stuff. These are the type of things you hear about on the radio and always think, wow, that would be so cool to go to. And now here you are, and hopefully you enjoyed every second of it as much as you
Yeah,
did.
man. Thank you guys so much for coming.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
Final question: what do you do during an encore? When you leave the stage?
Just go and try to wipe some of the sweat off. Take a sip of water and hope the crowd stays.
Nice. Well, thanks so much. We really appreciate it.